Hello everyone, this is Jay. My partner Hussain has not been here. But yeah, we are from Sarpan Consulting Services Private Limited. We are working on Odoo since 2011. A team of globally 185, and in India a team of 120. And we are working on various industry solutions, various products all around Odoo majorly. So we have served a lot of industries, and we are expert in implementation with a right blend of consulting and technology. Today we are presenting one nice subject where we have done an implementation for an online food delivery application for a pizza chain in India. There is a nice story behind it. We were already a customer of this particular pizza chain called RP's Pizzeria in India, spread across our state Gujarat, where we live, where even Fabian right now lives in India. So long back they come to us as a customer asking, they are willing to have some solutions around the various problems they are facing. So we studied the problems. Typically as an implementer, we have to study the problems, understand the pain very deeply, and then we started proposing solutions. And the story ended up in a case that the way we entered into the ecosystem so well, we ended up acquiring the whole business into our ecosystem. So today, the RP Pizzeria is not only a customer but also one of the diversified investment for our company, Sarpan Consulting Services Private Limited in India. So here we are going to discuss how RP's Pizzeria was facing issues on the food delivery applications, having not implemented that solution, and how they were having issues catering the market and growing. So let's explore the world. If you want to connect, we have a code to connect. So there was a good competition around the pizza industry in India, especially in Gujarat where we come from. So we had a challenge of to handle customers' satisfaction. How we will handle customer satisfaction by giving them options to get it very personalization option. And then we should make sure that whenever we onboard a customer, we want to make them loyal customer to go on a longer term with us, regularly becoming our customer. So this was a very important aspect, that after we have done implementation, the customer satisfaction has improved, the customer loyalty has improved. Even due to our nice idea of make your own pizza, a personalization to our customers has been improved. So they are coming to our counter or also in our application, and they are able to choose the toppings and get the pizza, and they are able to deliver and get it done. Plus nice technological blend as well we wanted to make. So that's an advantage they have received. But before that, we did a analysis of where the market is going, how RP's Pizza can cater more customers, how they can reach easily to the customers, how we can even beat the other online food ordering systems like Swiggy and Zomato in India. Because a lot of customers in India are ordering through Swiggy, Zomato, Uber Eats. So we were having a challenge to give a solution to our customer RP's Pizzeria, that not only a solution that will work better, but also a solution that will in the backend talk to an ERP called Odoo. So that was a challenge. So we took the challenge, we did a SWOT analysis. The strength was RP's Pizzeria is giving customizable pizza options, make your own pizza, a very standard blend in Gujarat, one of the only brands who does it. So that's a strength. We had a weakness that we were only limited to specific cities earlier. So that was a little weakness, that we had a very limited reach, limited brand recognition in the high competition nowadays. So that was our weakness. And when we saw it as an opportunity that we as an IT company supporting this brand, we can have a nice technological blend to the customization option. So we could offer something nice, good email templates, regularly discussing back and forth with the customer, good feedback options, good CRM options to wish them well, give them nice coupon options. So all this we did as an opportunity. And the only threat was, if we do a lot of technological options, a lot of application options, the threat was the cost will go high. So all these factors we managed to handle within our application, and these strategies worked really well. Within these strategies, we did a targeted promotion to the region-wise, to the festival-wise, to the customers. We did good social media campaigns. We did a personalized marketing efforts, recalling our customers that, hey, last week you ordered this pizza, this week let's try something else. So that all sociological marketing options we deployed, and that in the end, a good feedback made us win the race of a pizza business. So that in turn ended up a nice Flutter-based application that worked on iOS and Android both. There's an online food ordering system. In the backend, it talks to Odoo. In the front end, it is a Flutter level layer, but in the backend, it talks to Odoo. For all the products, all the customization, all the prices options, all the country-wise prices options, whatever you see in e-commerce as in POS, our application is a nice blend of both. It's a POS as well, it is a e-commerce as well. Here customer can choose whether they want to dine in, whether they want to take away, or whether they want to simply order online. So it's a ease of choice operations for them. They have a nice home screen where they can easily order. They have an option to choose, they can use toppings, they can even customize as make your own pizza. That's our concept at RB's Pizza Area. After the application ran, there's a nice Odoo in the backend. People can order online. People can also do a lot of things. They can immediately get invoices because that's Odoo's beauty, right? As soon as you get your order done, you can get invoice easily. Then you can also get a feedback. They can fill a form in the backend. We can get a nice survey along with. That was the case. So at present, RP's Pizzeria is now acquired by Sarpan Consulting Services, and so far our test has reached to more than 50,000 downloads. Our review is also good, and so far we are among the top 10 pizza ordering applications built in Flutter, and in the backend there is Odoo. So lot of companies are coming to us for this implementation. So after doing this implementation, we have this as a good use case. So now we as a company are extracting this as a product and selling to multiple other food chains as a part of our success. Some good numbers after we have on iOS and Android. After we had done the application, the impressions have gone up, the product page reviews gone up, the conversion rate almost gone 50% plus. Total download recently within the period of last 2 years, August 22 to 2024 of September till date, has gone 17K. The sessions per active user, every almost customer, they are spending around 4 minutes on our system to make sure they align to the application, they make an order, if we convert them into the customer. Only once it has crashed, of course, technical things can happen, yeah. Over the period of time when we have nice offers, nice festive season going on, even nice vacation season going on, the pizza orders ramp up, let's say in the Q3. Every time Q3, Q4 will always go high. So that's how the numbers have come up through our application. Again, no challenge in the backend because that's Odoo. We are using the beauty of Odoo, and again we are using the community edition of Odoo so far. You have questioned what are these features that makes application go succeed. So the features so far are, we have a per branch option. You can accept the order per branch. You can pick up the order per branch, and we have set up whether product is available today, the manager is available today or not, who can accept online orders, who can accept pickup orders, and who can even enter the dine-in orders. And even there is also delivery time. For very busy branches which are selling pizza, if you want to make sure that the next order should get a delivery time after 20 minutes or 50 minutes or let's say 1 hour. So that's also a feature we have available in the backend. So branch managers come daily, they can choose the products to be available, they can choose the delivery time, they can serve the next order, and they can choose what is available, what is not, and that will be handled within the application of a customer, and they can do the order. We can also have customized menus per branch. We have a configuration of a branch that up to what kilometers or miles we can accept the order, because sometimes if the order is from a far distance, it is of course late to deliver the order. So that configuration also we have prepared based on the geo proximity, geolocation fencing. We have managed the branch lat-long system so that branch can accept the order up to a certain section. Then they have branch contact details. If any order is a concern, they can simply go and contact the branch from the mobile application itself. So all these options easily converting the concern on the mobile application. Then for the branches, customer is doing the order, but from the branches when they want to identify what are the orders coming in, what is the status, they have a nice kitchen dashboard. Long before Odoo has done the kitchen dashboard default, we already had done this for our customer. So it's like a kitchen screen. When immediately an order comes, they can see in the new stage. It's just like a kitchen screen that direct when the order is prepared, is taken preparing, ready, out for delivery, and that delivered. And the same can be also available for a food delivery guy. They can see the status of the application. They can click on the order. They can see the geolocation where to deliver, and they can simply go. So the key features are accepting pickup online and one-click printing. Immediately from the back end, we can do one-click printing receipt, because some customers are willing to get a receipt along with the order. So that option also we have kept available. As soon as the order is coming, the system will ring, because typically in India, we have a lot of third-party app providers for the food. Swiggy, Zomato, nowadays Grab, even Rapido, as well as the our own application. So the branch manager, the restaurant guy, will get confused. Order came from what option? Because he has a browser available for one link for Swiggy, one for Zomato, one for our application. So he was confused. So what we did a solution. That whenever order comes from our application, the guy's ring will the specific system will ring a bell that hey, there is an order from Odoo system to you. So they open the dashboard. They can simply handle the dashboard actions from here to here, and they can plan it out and run all the operations in there. Then we have easy configuration available, where what product can be a veg or a non-veg or a combo or so on. Easy configuration is in the stock, not in the stock, or in the stock available or not. They can easily configure. So based on that, imagine I'm running a outlet and I get one of the specific margarita pizza out of stock. I will simply go into the backend, set it out to the stock, and all application will stop showing the product on the order side. So that's how we have prepared the settings for our end users, for our restaurant users, to handle the orders, how to handle the stock. They can even do the stock taking easily with the inventory available. Yes, the online application talks to the inventory application as well. Based on the availability of the raw items, it will show the stock availability too. So that level of flexibility we have given to the user as well as to the restaurant owner, the branch franchisee owner, and this is available easily on the hand side. At present, using Odoo as a backend and our application, so far this brand, which is now one of our diversified brands, we have around 21 outlets. When we started, we had only 4 outlets when this automation digitalization was not there. Now using Odoo as a nice backend tool, we are having 21 outlets. We are having served around 93,000 plus customers. Lot of repeated customers coming into 52,000 plus orders served so far, and numbers are still counting. We have the application available on iOS as well as Android. That makes a nice blend that any kind of user can easily connect. And as I said, after the success of one specific company, we are extracting this as a nice product, and we will be able to serve any other food delivery system. This can be helpful for even for pharmacy, medicine delivery services. They can use the same thing. If you are delivering stationery, yes, we can use the same application. If you are delivering food, of course, it is the same. So we are making it the way it is a nice base dough, a Lego kind of a dough. We have the same system built in. So whatever is your business where you are talking to your end customer, you want a delivery, yeah, our solution will be a nice fit that will come across to serve the customer. We have a nice success story that there's a video as well. Because of time limit, I will not run the video, but it's a video where we talk to the outlet, we talk to the customer, and customer says that operations are become so easily, and there's a nice interview with the chef, as well as because chef is using the kitchen screen, the frontline cash cashier as well. They are easily able to handle the operations, and they are happy. There's a left is a testimonial for them. On the right side, the pad which is open for questions. I'm open for the questions. If there are any, we can talk.
Hello. Thank you so much for the presentation. We have a few questions until now. So the first
You are
one,
offline. I'm not able to hear you.
Hello? Hello? No?
Good now.
It's okay? Perfect. Thank you. So the first question would be, great job,
Thank
first
you.
of all. How much time did it take to implement?
Very good question. See, such things are like Amazon. Things are not built in a day. So initially, when we implemented, it took us around 4 months of a time to start, building it, and then as things go, like Amazon grows, like every company grows, feature by feature, we started implementing smallest aspect, and now at the end of 1.5 year, we are very much stable. The first rollout was after 4 months. It was already live, but over the time we kept improving, added features, added nice offers, prices, multi-currency, multi-option offers, and that's how the things have grown. And yeah, initially it took 4 months. Now it is going on.
Perfect. I think it would be depending on the client too and the
Yeah, of
needs
course.
that they
Of
have.
course.
The following question would be: did you integrate GPS to localize the customer?
Well, our pizza delivery guys had the GPS, but when the customer orders on the system, their GPS coordinates we take it. So if I'm ordering from this location in the outlet I'm ordering is, let's say, more than 5 miles away, the system will give a warning that hey, you are not within the vicinity or proximity of the outlet. So that time we do not order, but we suggest alternate branches if it is around. That's how we handle it. So yes, for the customer application, we did get an option of a localization to get a GPS coordinates to connect.
I think you mentioned in the last part about medicine, and someone is asking, did you develop the same for medicine delivery already?
No, we did not develop, but now being a good implementer of Odoo, whenever you have an inquiry, you always map. Customer is in this business, what Odoo models will fit, what one of our products will fit. So we have not implemented, but yeah, for the medicine delivery, we have tried out a demo, and again, it's a backend configuration, simple, easily doable. Even a cafe can also do this. Medicine cafe, hospitals own cafe plus canteen plus medical shop can also use the same. Conceptually, it is same. Yeah.
Somebody is asking about the technology of Flutter. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah. It's a technology is a Flutter, and we have used Flutter as a mobile interface. In the backend, of course, Python and Odoo.
We have another question. Do you sell as white labeling products? What about the source code?
You are killing the hen giving golden egg. So yeah, we can definitely talk about this. If somebody is interested, we can talk one to one. We are not selling white label yet because it is one of the successful ones. But yeah, if you are from a different region which is not colliding to our interest, more than happy, because alone I can sing, together we can rock.
Perfect. So let's discuss after this meeting. We have another question. How are the pricing look like? Let's say we want to have the same system to offer 100 or plus restaurant with our own UI, but with Odoo ERP backend. How would the cost be regarding Odoo services?
Yeah, good question. Odoo always needs to be customized because we have to see what version you are using Odoo, number one. And as far as the application cost is concerned, we have a nice model that we will not charge you upfront. Initial charge is very minor, like say $2,000. But further on, if you use our application with every monthly revenue you make, we get 3% stake on it. So that way it's a little partnership along with the technological enhancement and so on. So that's a modeling we have evolved. But again, it will be case by case. If you have questions and we have a daily bigger, longer plan, I am fine to discuss and we can take it ahead.
How did you overcome the high barrier to entry by countering
Swiggy and Zomato.
Ziggy and Zomato? Perfect. Since they are extremely popular in India and basically run a duopoly in India, what was your game plan to overcome this challenge to grow to 20 or plus outlets?
Yeah, good. The question is, there are other providers, Swiggy and Zomato. How did we fight with them? How we handle 20 plus outlet growth? Yeah. So the question is business plus Odoo both. I'll answer the business question first. How we managed to grow as a game plan? We simply made sure that we took the right areas where to focus on. The newly developed areas, we went them first, and that's how we set up the outlet and grew. Talking about how we encountered Swiggy and Zomato. Swiggy, Zomato, Uber Eats are such third-party providers. They take a big fat commission, around 30%. So what we simply did it, we reduced our commission to be less than 20, and of course there are good offers. So even the seller, the restaurant will also earn more because they have to give less commission to the application. So that's how it's a earning potential. We reduce the fees and made the orders go quick because our users are using our own system in the backend. So if we use third party, we have to integrate. But in this case, it is Odoo. Invoices in the system, sales in the system, inventory in the system. So it's a double advantage for the customer.
Okay, perfect. Also, link about the pricing you mentioned before. Is it one-time payment or a monthly subscription?
As I said, maybe I answered that it is one-time payment of first setup. Then we take part in your 3% royalty on the revenue you make monthly. But yeah, as I said, we can discuss if your region doesn't collide with us.
Now another person is asking about are you just working in India or other countries too?
And now, as Sarpant is one of the owners of the brand, we wish to grow. We are planning in US and UAE. So far, it's only in India, but we can grow.
Is the middle plan to come to other countries to work the app?
Yeah.
Can I have front end developed from third party and just use Odoo ordering reservation dashboard? Does Odoo provide clear API documentation, for example, or Swagger?
Yeah, looks like a question means, question says, can I have a front end development in other technology or for third party and use Odoo as a backend? Outside this, yeah, technically, Odoo is nicely API built. They have a nice ORM. So all your orders which are coming into Odoo can give you API connection, the sales information. So if your third party system is developed in some other application, you have to expose the layer at every trigger. Order coming in, order state, product update, price list. You have to make a map and make a API connection thread to the Odoo. Odoo provides it fully. That's why we could build. So yes, if you have let's say if you are working on Ionic, Flutter or React Native, React JS, all different technical stacks, that also Sarpant does. Yeah, we can talk to Odoo as an API. It's all doable.
And the last question, also related with Odoo functionality. Are you using Odoo POS for store sales or have integrated some other tool?
Very good question. To be honest, Odoo POS is not excellent for end users who they can love. So out of 21 outlets, 6 or 7 outlets, I think 6, they are agreed to use POS and they are using it fully because that's why the orders are same. But for others, we have another provider who we are integrating with because our real users are very much familiar with the third-party POS system. It works very seamlessly. Again, POS compared to because Odoo POS is just few percentage ready, while the system which is purely expert on POS, they cannot be competed. So yeah, that's a very much mix we have right now. POS used by 6 outlets. Other outlets use the other system called Paid Puja, and so on. Yeah, we have integration.
Perfect. So that was all the questions we got, and thank you so much.
Thank you very much.